No, bigger. Bigger? Because we're going to blend it. Yep.
Lucky dog. With broccoli and pumpkin. For how many days this food?
A week.
A week. Uh-oh, sorry. All together?
Mm-hmm. Don't worry about that.
Huh?
Yeah, it's good. Tastes like no, I'll make it.
I like this one part. If I'm eating, I love that rather than the flour. In Philippines, not all people can afford buy broccoli.
Really?
Yeah, because the cold area is very far. It's like, you know, where like same here, like Mount Pula. It's like far from yeah. So there's a place where they grow broccoli. Some of them are export too. Not all from Philippines.
That's cool.
Yeah.
After she finishes the pumpkin, can you get that big pot up the top like that?
Did you hear Chantel? You put this one?
Nah, take the seeds out, please. Sorry.
No, it's alright.
I'll keep the skin and everything in it. Pumpkin's so hard to cook. Pumpkin's so hard to cook.
It means it's you know, there's some pumpkin like when you eat it, it's more watery. It's not good. This one is I think the best one. Yeah. We're gonna cook it too. How much water we need?
With the lid in it. Oh no.
One? This one? Oh, where is it? No.
Yeah, press it. Hold it.
Oh,
And then,
and then
do you want to chuck the lid on? It's on that next to that. I'll chuck the lid on this one.
yes, we're cooking for this big boy. We're this big boy.
Really upset he doesn't get his wheelbarrow.